Hey, aloha guys, Eric West here, HawaiiRealEstate.org. Look at this trade wind shower that's literally blowing through right as I'm shooting this video. This is cool. It's coming right off of the peaks of the West Maui mountains. I'm standing here on the PALI. If you're new to the channel, my name is Eric West. I'm all about teaching you everything there is to know about Hawaii and its real estate, but you just can't find in the listing. And of course, if you're ever in the market to buy or sell some real estate here on the beautiful island, I'd love to help. But what are we doing, guys? I'm just going to give you two tips. If you're coming here on vacation, I'm going to give you two things that you can do that are free and amazing. So this is the PALI, right? I'm going to show you how to get here. This is the PALI. This is the road that leads to Lahaina. Okay, this is called the PALI. It means sea cliffs, but we just call it the PALI. I'm on the old PALI up top here that was abandoned in 1951 when they built the actual real highway that you see down there now. But this is the PALI. That's Haleakala going towards Kihei. So when you come towards Lahaina, you're going to go through that tunnel and then you're going to drop down into this area right here. And the first set of trees you're going to see to your right, there's a parking lot right there, and you can do the PALI Trail. The PALI Trail will take you the old way where they used to, before they had cars and stuff like that, they would walk over to Ma'alaya over the top of the mountain. So that's a really cool hike. You'll get some amazing views, and it's really something you should put on your list. The second thing is I want you to see this beach right here. This is the first beach on the west side of Maui. It's called Grandma's. It's the name of the surf break. Sorry about the crazy wind there. But this surf break, if it's breaking, obviously surf it, don't get me wrong. But down here there's a bunch of coves that line this entire PALI, this entire cliff area. There's a bunch of coves that are very well protected and have tons of fish. So your snorkel trip will come here. You'll get on this boat, you'll spend a bunch of money, and they're going to come right here and have you literally just like yards off of this coastline snorkeling. So just an idea is to just get your own set of flippers and just kick out there, or a paddleboard or a canoe, or however you feel comfortable swimming a few hundred yards, and you can explore all of this area yourself. I would obviously encourage a flotation device, don't get me wrong, but this is definitely a great snorkel spot that is very accessible. And why pay a snorkel boat to take you somewhere that you can get to on your own pretty easily? So anyway, if you've enjoyed the video, I'd love a shaka, a share, a thumbs up, a subscribe, and of course, if you're ever in the market for real estate here in the beautiful island of Maui, I'd love to be your guy. Till next time, Eric West, out.